Okay. We got 20 minutes past 5 o'clock in the afternoon of the 29th of the month of April, and actual location natin po, we are here at Bago Abulug, Cagayan, the home place of Andy. And this is Andy, you know. Magwapong-wapo pa rin si Andy, no? Guwapo. Oy, tumingin ka naman dito, naka-view on video eh. Yeah, this is Andy. Newly arrived from Laguna, all the way from Laguna, from San Francisco, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and ito ang better half niya. Okay, and of course, yung son. Okay.
And my mom.
Ayan na. Sleeping na. That person na. Kumusta kayo? And so, hope na napigsa kayo pa lang, nagkapugay dyan kamusan lang. Okay. So, yan, Ninang Tinang, still, very,
Patak dilim na ta, camera.
Ayan, okay.
Dilim na kasyay.
Naka-full body ka, no? Wala kang problema dyan, Alam pa, gusto pa mag-posing. Okay, that's Nang Tinang, all the way from San Francisco, California. And
93.
93 years old na. And abutin mo siguro 100 years.
Yeah.
Oh, you can still make it. Feeling still strong and still happy. Okay, that's Nang Tinang. You can just imagine, from San Francisco, California, she went to Laguna, then now here at Cagayan, particularly dito sa Bago Abulug, ang kanyang hometown. Okay.
Okay.
Ganaman ako, tapi i-video na kami, matagabay kami. Hamula tagal ka naman ako, naka-video yan. So, here we are, my Nang Tinang, and this is Paul, anak Tibunyag, and welcoming Nang Tinang back to Bago Abulug, Cagayan. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, at andito yung mga hostages nag-host. Okay. Naala. Oh. Naka-video. Oh, yes. With Tessie. Oh, yan, okay. So, everybody seems to very happy tayo to just to welcome Nang Tinang together with Andy and the family, okay? Welcome to Bago Abulug, Cagayan. This is the residence of Pari Imin. Okay? Thank you.